How are you, sir?
Hi, Alhamdulillah. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, sir.
Okay. Where is Kasab? Okay. I have shared the screen. Can you see what we did from yesterday? We have declared the classes. Okay. These ones. We have declared the classes. Okay. The classes are this. Okay. What is the type of data that can come out? Okay. So these are the classes that we need for the calculator. The add class, the sub class. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. The mode for multiplication, div for division, mode for modulus, this for power. If you want to add more, you can add it. Okay, for now we want to get only these operations.
Sir, I added a book on Edmodo. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw the book. I think you have done well. Thanks for sharing the book with your colleagues. Okay, it's really very. I will check it. I have downloaded it, but I am not going through it. I am really busy doing some other things. I will check it later to see the content. But it's good. It's good. I once gave you some books. Is it part of the ones I gave you?
No, outside.
Okay. Boys, you should also download that book. Try to learn most of the things inside. They are very, very important. Okay. I always tell you, if you the good student is the one who goes beyond what the teacher teaches him to learn some other new things also. The book will contain more information. Okay. So it's very important you try to look at the book also. Okay. So now we are still in the program we started yesterday. So this, let me show you people the output. I have commented the system TLS, okay? It's giving me problem here, so I have commented it. I don't want it now, so I have taken it out. So I want to run it to see how it is going to look like, okay? I have run it now, so I'll share the screen for you. So, can you see that? This is the output. You see Jari's calculator program. Then there was, see the tab, forward, backward / T will give you a tab. You see the tab. Can you see the tab? The space between the beginning of the Jari's. Then also the spaces, forward / end also. Okay, so instead of using the end line, you can just append backward / end at the end of your C out statement, right?
Yes.
So this is the menu is giving you, say, which operation do you want to perform? So you say press 0 to exit the program. If you press 0, then it is going to exit the program. Right?
Yeah.
Then, okay. Press 3 for multiplication, press 4 for division, press 5 for power. So these are the things that is going to, okay, that's going to work for you, okay? If we press 5, it's going to stop now because now we have not coded for that. So I'm going to start again. Okay, so here, let's quickly look at, I want to remove one of these two. I want to remove the backward / end, leave only one. Okay. The end line here is also 2 of them. Yeah. People are like, I can just put another C out statement here. So see out. Then I want to put some underscores there. Okay, underline Giles. Then also I should have this increment switch. Only this that I need. I need the tab. Okay, I need the backward slash n. So now if I run it, I see that. Yeah, okay. Backward slash n. So I have this one. Okay. It is too far, so I don't need the end line. This one should be T, not S. I want to remove this one. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, the end line should come there, but I'm talking about this. Okay. Yeah, I want to remove one end line is okay, but here I want to remove this one. Yes. Now this is okay for me. So here I have the Jaris calculator program underlined in the rest of the option. So now let's try to do something. Okay, let's try to do something with the codes. So here everything is working. Now we have to say, okay, while this is equal to this, this is that. Then inside again, we want to check, we want to do a switch statement, okay? Are you with me, boys?
Yes.
We ask the person to enter the power, okay? The operand. We ask the person to enter the operand operation. So you say C, you say, okay, C out, which operation do you want to perform, right? Then we have to say C in. We have to declare some variables at the top here. That variables is char, okay, char OP, okay. The OP here, let's make it global up there above here. Oh, it's already there. No need to put it there. So here we have to say C in the OP, right? That clear.
Yes.
So now the person, whatever the operation the person enters, will be stored in the OP. The OP is a variable above here, which is a character data type, only one character. So if the person enters plus, to store as plus. So now we are going to make a switch statement. You know switch statements? We have learned this one before. Okay, boys? We know that boys?
Yes.
You know that we have done the switch right before. Okay? We have done the switch. Switch is like the if condition. Instead of the switch, we can do the if.
Case 1, case 2, yeah.
Yeah. Instead of the switch, we can do if, else, if. Okay. If, else, else. We can do all of those things in place of.
But case, sir, a switch case will be better here.
Yeah, switch case. We are going to use switch case because switch case is easy and very simple. Right? Switch
Yes.
case is not cumbersome. It's not cumbersome. It's not cumbersome.
Yeah.
So we will use that one now. And I just want to get just a template to just use instead of typing many like that. Sometimes you need to know how to adapt, okay? You need to know how to get some templates, then you try to utilize those words, templates. You have to be able to utilize these templates. That is best, okay? So here, I have some example here. I just copy and paste. Or I can type for you also to see. Okay, I have already got this. So I can just paste this here, okay? I'll explain it. See switch N. The N here, I want to use the OP. OP is the switching variable, okay? So case plus, here we want to make plus, okay? Okay. If it's plus,
Yes.
what we do here is that, then I want to comment here. If it is plus here, means call, I want to call the add function. Call the add, okay? Add what? Function. Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Yes.
So we just call the add function here, okay? Just say add, then we put in there, okay? We are done. The first one. Then case minus. So the person enters minus, okay? Right? Minus is a character, right? You know that.
Yeah.
So that's what we are talking about. So if it's the person enters a minus as a character, then you want to call the sub function, okay? Sub function. So we call the sub function below. Okay. Sub. Okay. Are we okay?
Yeah.
See how we are using the switch case here. So this practical example will help you to know how to utilize all the things that we have learned. Okay. So here I have the case for the third one is what? Multiplication, right? The person enters this, then we call for mul function, multiplication. Okay. There should be multiplication function. Mul function. Right? And boys, are you okay?
Yes.
Then here also, if the person calls this division, okay, if you select this one, then we call the div function. We call what? The div function. Division. Div for division, so we call it. So now we are just describing the structure. Then we'll go ahead to do what the structure will do. Okay? I will paste here also and say, okay, if the case is for power, what's the power? Okay, the power sign, the power, okay. Okay. So the operator for the power is the carat. You know carat? Carat. This one. I hope you know this, boys.
Yes.
You know this
Yes.
one.
What?
So if you want to find the power, okay, so you just, if the person press the carat power, then to allow the person to give the two values, then you just give the person, right? Then we call the power function POW.
Sir, why you are killing the keyboard, sir?
What?
Why you're killing the keyboard, sir?
Killing the keyboard.
Yes.
واضح. ايه.
I am killing the keyboard. How am I killing the keyboard? These guys. Hello?
Yes.
How am I killing the keyboard?
You're pressing it like you're angry, sir.
So what?
I am
Everyone can be angry.
I'm beating the keyboard. Okay, so here the default thing. The default is the default that we have to do here is that, okay, what do we want to say to the person? Okay, if the person enters wrong option, then we tell the person that that's not specified. Okay, operation not what operator not specified, not specified, right? Guys, are we okay?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes,
now,
sir. I'm not dead yet.
okay, if the person enters anything, okay, anything here, right, other than 0, okay, anything other than 0, or we can decide to remove the default, okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, we can decide to remove the 0 so that it will allow us, we can decide to remove the default so that it will allow us to terminate, okay. So now we are done with this. The next thing that we have to do is to define the functions, what the functions will do. So I will call the first function and define it, okay? I will copy it and go below the main and paste it there. Remove this one and bring the open and closing bracket. So I'll just define what the function will do, okay? Is that clear, boys?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
So, I want to declare two more variables, that the two numbers, okay? So I'll say int or double, it should be double. So double x, double y. Is that clear, boys?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, then
Allah yarham al-keyboard.
I can declare results. Double results. Okay, the results is going to be that clear.
Yes.
Yes.
You see now, the reason why I'm using this is I've taught you globe scope. Scope is where the variable is what accessible. Okay, scope is so here when I put it before the int main, it is called a global scope, meaning wherever in the program, in the main, the function, we can access that what variable, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
here what we do here is okay, see out, enter first number, okay, enter the first number or enter first
والله
number.
فرطني من الضحك.
Okay, boys, no need to.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll see in the first number, which is x. Okay, see in x, see out. Okay, see in what x. Then I'll copy and paste and just edit. I don't want to type much. So here I paste now. The enter second number, okay, right?
Okay.
Second number, then I will say C in Y. And okay, if the person enters,
Yeah.
then what do I want to do? I will say results, okay?
Okay.
Result is equal to, sorry, result
What
is
kind
equal
of?
to x plus y, okay? X plus y, okay? Then I'll say return results, okay? Return results.
Ja.
Clear. Return results.
Hello.
Yeah.
That boy is coming again. He's always confusing.
Who's he?
Khalid is in grade 5.
Ah,
He want
he
to
love
enter.
computer PhD.
He want to enter different class, and he's entering our class.
No, sir.
What?
He love computer PhD, sir. He love computer PhD.
Well, I know he laugh, but I don't know. Let us. He always come here.
الله باني الأستاذ مكتوب.
Okay, so I have this now. So I say double add C out, then I return this add function will return a value. Okay,
Then what?
so it's going to return a value. Okay, now what are we gonna do now? Okay, so what we'll do here is that okay, and we are finished with the add. So I will copy the add and do for the sub. Okay, you see that it's becoming easy for us. You just copy and paste. So say sub. Then here instead of plus, I make it what? Minus, right? Now
Yeah.
done. We should be done now. I paste again instead of mult add. I just do what mult mul. Okay, mul. Okay, for multiplication. Then I change the plus to star multiplication. Then I will do Ibrahim.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Bruh.
Do you understand what
Yes,
we are?
it.
You get it?
Yes.
Okay. Mohammed Hamza, do you get it?
No.
Damn.
You don't understand what we are doing. Mohammed Hamza.
No.
Yes.
Okay. You understand?
هلا.
متى آخر مرة فضيت؟
قبل رمضان بشهر.
أنا بيوم.
No, quiet boys. Just keep quiet. Let's finish.
تفضل.
Let's do the mode, okay? For the mode, you know the mode is. Who can tell me the mode sign? Who can tell me the mode sign?
Modulus, yes? Mod
Yeah,
only.
What?
Mod, M-O-D.
No, that one is for QBasic, but C++ is percentage.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. Then we also do for mode, we have the power, okay? The power function. So you say P O W. Okay. So for the power, what we do is you say, okay, X power correct, you know the correct, power 2, power Y. X power Y, you need to just give us the result. Now in the div, you know that division by voice, division by 0 does not exist. So we have to check the condition here. Okay?
Yeah.
We have to check for a condition. If
Yeah.
I have this one should be moved. I have done this one. Add, first, sub,
No,
mode,
we can run it.
division, then this one should go. I don't need this. Okay. See? So I am going to this one, the division, the div. I want us to check for the first one, okay? Right? Before I do the calculation. Okay? Boys?
Yeah.
Because we are dividing x by what? Okay. 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay,
Yes.
but anything divided by 0 is not possible. Okay, like maybe I say 5 divided by 0 is undefined, can't be divided. So here, so if you try to divide anything by 0, it will be impossible. So we have to check. Okay, we have to check to see. Okay, we have to check. We have to make, and we say, okay, if x, we want to make before, we want to check to see, right? Are you with me?
Yeah.
If x is less than 0, okay, if x, no,
Yeah.
if x is equal to 0, we can divide. If x is equal to 0, we have to,
No, sir. It should be y, sir.
what?
If y is
No,
equal
sorry,
to
why? If y, because we are dividing by y. So if
yeah,
y is equal to 0, then we have to say C out, okay?
the answer is invalid or
Yeah,
can't be.
uh, division by 0, division by 0, division by 0 is impossible, okay?
Yes.
Okay, you can do anything that you want. Just nice way of telling the person. Okay, to divide. You can say can't divide by 0, okay? Instead of division by 0 is simple, you can say can't divide by 0, okay? Right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then we say
Yeah.
else. We can put, if it is else, then we'll put the division, okay? Or we can
Sir,
just,
here we made sir, here if y greater than 0, yes, or I mean else we put see out the result is
what? If
in
y
else,
is,
yeah.
else means if the y, it means if it is not, then the division will take place, okay? If
Yeah.
you like, we can even leave only the if, okay?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
We are saying that, okay, we want y to, we only want the division to take place if whatever the person enters is not equal to 0. It's either less than 0 or above 0. We can divide by -1, -5, -10. We get negative results, okay? Exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
I
Yes.
hope you have gotten it.
Yes.
Okay, now the period is almost, we are we have reached the end of the period. Okay, so now I will save the program now. Then tomorrow when we come, we will continue. We will do the display, okay? The display is
Yes.
here. We will do the display function. The display function will destroy, the display function will just want display the results, okay?
Yes.
It will
Okay.
display the results for us.
Ja, ja.
So we can ask the display function, or maybe we can just do our own thing, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. So that is what we have now. We
Sir,
will
can't
see.
you make a graphical interface using this code block?
Yeah, we can make that one. I have reserved it for next time, inshallah. Next year,
Ah,
the 12th. Okay.
yes.
Now we have to
So,
understand all the basics to understand the intermediate, how to do object oriented. Then when we go there, because in the graphic we have to instantiate, extend some classes, graphical classes, and all those things, right?
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Mm. So now, for now, you have to be able to work around classes, functions, how to instantiate a class, and all those things. That is very, very important. Object-oriented concept is very important because whatever programming language you want to learn, they are there. Even in C++, now we are even having object-oriented JavaScript. JavaScript, which is not even a programming language, now it has now gotten to the stage they are now using the object-oriented concept. So you need to you need to be able to understand the OOP before you can understand almost all the languages. So that is what we have for now. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue and finish. Okay, we finish, then we'll look at the next line of action. Okay, thanks for coming, boys. Any question?
You're welcome. No.
No.
Ibrahim.
Sir, you're giving extra marks for the second term of the attendance.
What?
You're giving extra marks.
Yeah,
The
for
attendance.
attendance. Those who are attending, Zakaria, Muhammad Hamza, Kassab, Ibrahim,
For the final term.
Fadil Izzat.
The clown. Yes.
What?
For the
The
final term.
clown.
What?
For the final term.
Yeah, inshallah. Inshallah, I will add some marks to you. Okay.
Okay.
Because you people have done well, very well. You have been coming consistently, especially these 5 boys of mine. Thank you very much for
Yes.
coming.
Welcome.
I'm very happy teaching you because you have also been composing yourself very well. That is very good.
We are happy that you are our teacher.
Okay. So inshallah.
But
Hello. I hope I'm happy when you people understand what I teach. And when you comport yourself, I'm also happy. So inshallah, tomorrow we will continue and finish the project. Okay?
خلاص
Yes.
مضبوط.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
So,
خدنا نص عامل ده. والله صعب.
oh, God.